Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan and guys, welcome you on my YouTube channel. So my name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today I am here with an amazing video for you guys. And before telling that, I would let you know that guys, I am having one another channel that is It's Nidhi Jain. So if you haven't subscribed it, then link will be below. Just go and subscribe it. So guys, today I am here to answer your all questions, and today one more guest is coming with us, and before introducing her, I would like to answer your 4 questions which are for me, and remaining ones she will be answering you. So without wasting time, let's go. So guys, the first question which I have got is, within how many months can I complete B1? So guys, if I should tell you that maximum for B1 it will be taking 3.5 months maximum. Minimum you can take 3 months, but 3 months it is minimum, because the thing is, B1 level is a vast level. It's not a small level like A1 and A2. In B1 level your speaking should be very good, and if you have a good speaking in that, then definitely it will be the best thing, because and speaking part in B1 level is really on next level because of the themas, blogs and everything. So guys, do prepare B1 with a very good preparation, because B1 exam is easy. It's not tough, but your preparation should be very hard. So let's go to the second question. Second question is how to find German jobs. So guys, if I tell you, then on German jobs I have made the whole series. Link will be in the description. You can go and watch it and learn what are the job opportunities you can get, what are the eligibilities, what questions are asked in the interview, and how you can make your CV for German or India companies. So just go and watch it. Next, third question is, how can I get admission in German college in this COVID time? So guys, this question ma'am will be telling you, who is our chief guest for today's video. Afterwards, she will be telling you. So the fourth question is, ma'am, I am about to do B1 and my B1 is about to finish. So please do tell me what are the options to get the best good money in India itself, because we cannot fly. So guys, this is a very important and most demanded question, because everyone is asking this similar question. So I will suggest you that in this for this I have made the whole series for the job, as I have told you earlier. You can go and watch it, and in this COVID time also, German hiring is on, so you can send me your resume on germangan04@gmail.com, and I'm going to revert you very soon whenever your resume suits the job. So guys, now let's welcome Manpreet Kaur ma'am for our today's session. She is the expert in sending students, in consulting students for the Germany for students visa. So guys, let's welcome her, and she will be answering your question. Let's welcome her. Ma'am, how are you? Finally welcome you on my channel, German Gyan. Finally we are meeting on Skype. Thank you so much, ma'am, आपने time निकाला अपना busy schedule में से. So basically, ma'am, in this video, I will be asking the questions which different students and my subscribers has asked me. So are you ready for the answers?
Yeah.
Definitely. So let's start it. So first, so मैम दो क्वेश्चन आए मेरे पास. कॉमन क्वेश्चन है. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आए थे, लेकिन आई सिलेक्टेड द मेन क्वेश्चन जो मुझे लगे पर्सनली कि हाँ फायदेमंद होंगे. सो द मैम फर्स्ट दोनों क्वेश्चन को आई एम कंबाइनिंग. First question is, how about IT jobs in Germany? Can a non-native speaker who has knowledge but not certified? So this is the first question. And second question is, hi ma'am, how is the job opportunity is in IT industry in Germany at this COVID time?
Yeah, dear. At this time, if you are talking about IT field in Germany, there is a great opportunities in Germany. In IT department, Germany already proved itself for engineering profile, right? So if we talk about that native students, like if the student have not certified, if not having a Goethe certificate or German language certificate, it's not a big issue. If you have a knowledge of German language, if you have internal certificates, that is okay for a company.
Okay.
You can also apply from here, from your hometown for Germany companies. There are some websites here, like if I can give you the name of these websites, you can also mention these websites in description box, like Stack Overflow, Linkedin, and Glassdoor, Honeyspot. These are the websites where you can go on these websites, and in a job profile, you can upload your resumes directly, and it takes around 2 months to get a job. There are 7 to 8 rounds if you are selected for that company, like HR round, like technology round, coding round. If you cross all these rounds, then you get a direct job from these companies. So many of you in India, you have an experience, and already your graduation percentage is also right. So with that experience, with that skills, Germany welcomes the skills. So with the help of that skills, you can apply in German companies directly without German language, no, without knowing German language. But if you go there, start doing learn German language so that you can help to survive in Germany.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much
Right.
for this answer. Next question is, I want to continue my masters in computer since I got 6.5 score in IELTS.
Okay. Yeah, if you plan to do masters in Germany, yeah, that's good. You have complete one condition, IELTS 6.5 band is required, right? There are two options if you plan for German taught, either for English taught. If you are asking regarding IELTS, that means students interested for English taught program.
Yes, exactly.
And if you're planning for English taught masters in Germany, either for a MTech computer science, either for a computer applications or any other course of masters, you have to complete one more condition. That means your graduation percentage is around 75 or above.
Okay, minimum
Okay,
is
I'm giving, and there's an example. If you are planning for BTech, if you're planning for masters in engineering and you have done bachelor's in same profile, like in mechanical engineering, you done bachelor's and you are planning to masters in mechanical engineering. Then if you go for the same stream, then if you score 70%, you are also eligible for English taught program.
okay,
But if you change your stream, like you done BTech and now you are planning for MBA, then you have score at least 75%.
okay, okay. That's really an important question. Everyone is asking this question. I have got so many questions for this particular thing because people are not doing proper things. If they search on internet, they get confused that what is the correct information. So thank you so much.
Welcome.
Next is uh, Hi Nidhi, I am IT professional having approx 5 year experience. I am looking forward to move Germany. Have currently reached A1 level. Can you please help me more clarity on what level is German is expected as of the current situation? How is the job market and how it might impact the future of experience? Thanks in advance.
Okay, and that means student having an experience of 5 years,
In
right? So
IT professional.
that's weightage increase of their file, because if you have an experience, Germany welcomes your skills,
Okay.
right? So the point is that the student says that I'm having a German A1 level, right? And just repeat one time more
Yeah, sure.
question.
So the ma'am question is, A1 level she has done. She has reached till A1 level, and
Right.
now she is asking about the current job market because of this COVID. What is the current impact for the future people who want to do a job there or who want to study there?
Yeah, fine. Dear, if we talk about the COVID position, right now, if you get an offer letter from any company, but due to embassy, due to Corona, you can't fly from there.
Exactly.
So you reach in Germany when there's everything stable. So when everything is fine, everything is stable, you can get a good market there,
Yeah, sure. So
right?
basically, you are saying that they should get on the similar platform and they can wait.
Right. And they are trying applying resumes continuously. They can get a job because having a 5 year experience increase the weightage of their file. They can get in job options, very good opportunity.
Okay, thank you so much. Next question is, if person is having 7 years of GAP,
Hmm.
which means in 2014 done his masters in soft engineering, and in 2021 winters he or she is planning to go Germany for master course, then it will affect me to get admission? If yes, then please tell me the solution.
No, there is no problem. Gap issue is not a problem for master's case. Either you have a gap of 7 years, 5 years, 8 years, 9 years, there is no issue. The point is same, you have a proof of your gap. When
Okay.
you stop your studies, you know the exact value of your time now. If you have used your that valuable time in your hometown place, then everything, then German government is also fine that if you welcome in Germany, you have a skills knowledge of that kind, so that resume and that work proofs that can work for you in Germany also. That can increase also your resume file, so you can apply easily there.
So there is no problem for the gap
There
reason.
is no
Plus,
problem. Yes.
plus
And
they
if
need
you,
to
if you, yeah, if you're planning for double masters or master's course, and if you have a gap, there is no problem. You can apply after 7 years also, 5 years also, your file is eligible.
Okay, fine. Okay, so the next question is, where can a student in Germany study business and professional German with a reasonable price? And how much German we should know?
Dear, if we talk about professional German, there are many German language institutes in Germany. In Steinken, Bonn, Nuremberg, Munich, Frankfurt, it's in Berlin also there are many language institutes where you can study at a cheap price. Matlab, it's not equal to Indian prices. In Germany, per level is of 60,000 per level. So if you plan to A1 to C1, it is almost around 2 lakh to 50 lakh.
Okay, per
Per
double.
level is 60,000, yes.
It's
Per
double.
year, per level 2 months, but yeah, it's a there are well, quality in that schools also. You know the environment of Germany there.
Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, next question is, can you apply for a student visa without your bachelor degree certificate visa Germany study?
Yes, for masters, yes. If students have the mark sheets of 8 semesters, then we can use that mark sheets and apply for their master's course degree.
Bachelor degree certificate is not required.
It's mandatory, but due to COVID, if there is pending in documentation, there is no problem. You can apply there for offer letters with the
Okay.
help of mark sheets you have.
If somebody is doing from SOL the bachelor one, then because in SOL you will be knowing that there is no semester wise something. So what's the
Yeah,
criteria?
there is a point. If there is no semester wise, then we require a complete transcripts.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Will my Germany study visa get rejected because I had a Canadian student visa rejection? Is the data shared?
No. If there is no problem if the embassies share data, but if your visa is rejected from Canada visa rejection, there is no problem. You can also apply from Germany visa. There is no problem in that process. Either you are rejected from Canada, Australia, UK, your file is still okay for Germany study visa process. It is a complete government process. It all depends that how your documents are in your file and how you're known with the all questions what the embassy want to know, that is that embassy wants your honest answers why you're planning for Germany, complete honest answers.
Honesty is the best policy.
Yeah.
Okay. So next question is, can two students on Germany's study visa marry each other and one can become dependent on other? Very important question, ma'am.
And very unique question.
Exactly.
And very rare question, and never students trade that this kind of question. I always listen a questions from a students like ma'am ki you already listen a word ki ma'am pakke on jana pa. कनाडा दी कुड़ी नाल ब्याह करा के पक्के होन जाना है ਆਪਾਂ मतलब if we think कि मतलब अगर तो student if the he or she is a PR there then there is a possibility you can go there and after 3 months you can get a city registration and after getting a city registration the person the who is staying having a PR in Germany can go the registrar office of Germany and fill the all documentation process then you are eligible for doing for a marriage purpose there but if you both are on student visa then no.
Sure.
Germany has a strict laws, strict rules. If
Yeah,
you both are on student visa and government allows you to marry, then how you take care of your partner? You are also on already student visa. Your
exactly.
future is not still planned. How you take care of your partner's future? That's the point.
Yeah, very good information. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next is, I applied for German study visa in IUBH. Can you tell me the full form of this?
It's a
I
Berlin University.
Yes. Is it possible for me to cover my college fee through part-time jobs or any job?
It's a private university where there is a fees. So yes, you can cover your fees with part-time jobs. In Berlin also there are number of options of part-time jobs. In restaurants you can do job in like McD pizza type, Amazon companies you have jobs, delivery kind jobs. Actually there is an environment there all students are working. No, you can't feel like that I have to do job like that. There is no like that small job and big job. All jobs are equal. There are respected jobs and students also enjoying doing their part-time jobs. I also suggest every time students that go there and do part-time jobs also. Not only for getting the living cost, but the part-time job increase your confidence level, market knowledge, and your practical practice of your German language. That
Yeah.
can help you when you enter university.
Because if somebody is going from here, the environment is totally changed there. So you have to get in
Exactly.
that environment. For that, you have to meet people, you have to connect with the people, and that will help you more to learn more German and more German. Plus, the
Right.
environment you will be learning what the things are, how we have to manage, and everything.
So before entering university, when you start doing job there, and after entering that in university, there is a no international and local gap between the students because you already know the whole surroundings.
Exactly, exactly. Very important, ma'am. A part-time job they should do.
Yeah.
Okay, so the last question I have, this is a very important question. I also want to ask this question to you. Explain exact COVID situation of Germany right now. Very important. One more question is there added with this. And from when the admission will be reopening and what will be the process? Or right now, if there is any process going on, then please do explain it because people are looking forward to do it.
Yeah. Due to COVID, yeah, situations are seriously थोड़ा मतलब ये कह सकते हैं हम. But if you say that job offer letters or university offer letters, there in Germany there are online classes are given by universities or language institutes. Those
Yes.
students are already enrolled there. They can get their online classes there. So, and if the student is at this time planning for enrollment in Germany universities, so we are asking that, yeah, enrollments are going on. We are conducting their online German language classes for that. Because before entering university, you have to complete your C1 level, that is around approx 9 to 10 months process. So in we are suggesting students so start language classes online where you comfort and where you get the quality classes. Don't waste your time. So when you focus on your language classes, you get more time to learn language easily. And after completing your language, everything time was also stable there. COVID also gone there. Then you
Yeah.
start your study process in universities.
Okay. So right now the whole process is going on just because of the flying. It has been stopped. Otherwise, it
Yeah.
is working.
Yes, we are also waiting for the embassy process when it's on. So when the embassy on, students are getting the options to fly. But still, students not allowed to waste the time. They have to complete focus on German language. Actually, they don't know that German language is so beautiful platform. With the help of German language, they can make their future so beautiful in Germany. They can stand in a very good future in Germany. Very great pathway. There are number of jobs. If I take an example of job salary package, monthly they can get 3 lakh monthly in every field of Germany. When you're getting a blue card, then there is an option of if our students knows the what's a blue card. Blue card student get when in two conditions: when you complete your 16-year education degree and you also having a one company offer letter from Germany. When you get the Germany company offer letter in 16 education complete, then you get a blue card. And blue card, on the help of blue card, you can do job there. And after doing job of 3-4 years on blue card, you are eligible for PR in Germany. And while doing work on blue card, you can getting 3 lakh per month from every field. Because German universities is a practical education and always make your concepts clear. There is no ratification.
Like we are having here Ratta and Ratta and Ratta. That's
Right.
it.
Exactly.
People understanding things, and that's the only reason people find German as a difficult language. German is not at all a difficult language. If you are
Right.
learning each and everything and revising daily on the daily basis, then German is the most easiest language you can learn.
Yes.
Learning Chinese the toughest language, where you are learning Chinese, we ban Chinese. Why we are talking about Chinese? No Chinese. Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much, ma'am. Find out finally you have given your time, precious time. Thank you so much. It was a great.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. See you again in my some other videos. Till then, please take
Sure.
care. Thank you guys for watching the whole series. I hope you have liked it. And guys, if you have liked it, then don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, because next video is very interesting. In the next video, I'm coming up with a famous topic for you. So my different teachers and students will be participating in this particular thing. If you want to participate, then please do DM me. You will bring my video. So guys, let's wait for the next video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere, so that you can learn more and more German. So guys, stay tuned, stay happy and be safe. Bye bye.